really master Wing Chun at home without training under a real Sifu? With thousands of Wing Chun videos, online courses, and books available today, it's a question that almost every beginner asks. The short answer is yes, but only up to a certain point. Wing Chun is much more than simply memorizing techniques. If you're training at home, you can absolutely build a strong foundation. You can learn Nim Tao, develop a stable stance, improve your posture, and understand the body mechanics that make Wing Chun so efficient. With consistent daily practice, you'll also improve your coordination, balance, focus, and self-discipline. However, some of the most important aspects of Wing Chun training simply can't be mastered alone. Take Chi Sao, or sticky hands, for example. This unique training method requires a partner. It teaches you how to feel pressure, react instinctively, control the center line, and develop sensitivity through touch. No YouTube video, online course, or mirror can fully replace real partner training. Another common challenge with self-learning is correcting mistakes. When you practice alone, it's surprisingly easy to develop bad habits without realizing it. A qualified Sifu can identify subtle problems in your posture, relaxation, timing, body alignment, and power generation, small details that often determine whether a technique actually works in real life. That said, learning Wing Chun at home is far from a waste of time. In fact, many experienced practitioners spend countless hours training on their own to reinforce the fundamentals they learn in class. If you stay disciplined, record your training sessions, and compare your movements with reliable instruction, you'll continue making steady progress. So, can you become a true Wing Chun master without a real Sifu? Probably not. But can you become a much better martial artist through consistent home practice? Absolutely. Think of solo practice as building the foundation of a house. The stronger your foundation, the more you'll gain when you eventually train with a qualified instructor. The real goal isn't choosing between home training and learning from a Sifu. The most effective approach is to combine both whenever possible. If you're looking for a high-quality online Wing Chun course, I highly recommend Nima King on Udemy. With many years of teaching experience, Nima King trained extensively under Grandmaster Tsui Shung Tin, one of the most respected disciples of Grandmaster Ip Man. Tsui Shung Tin was widely known as the King of Nim Tao because of his deep understanding of Wing Chun's internal mechanics. Building on that lineage, Nima King's teaching combines traditional Wing Chun with mindfulness, relaxation, meditation, internal body mechanics, and practical self-defense. His course is suitable for both complete beginners and experienced practitioners looking to deepen their understanding of the art. If you're interested in starting your Wing Chun journey, check out the link in the video description below. Plus, the course comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee so you can try it with confidence. Don't wait. Start your Wing Chun training today. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. We'd love to hear about your experience. Are you learning Wing Chun at home, or do you train with a Sifu? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.